Have you been in a situation where you have a couple of ingredients, but don't know what to cook? Or you feel bored cooking the same thing over and over again? Don't you worry, because we have a solution for you. Introducing UTeM Lens. UTeM Lens. UTeM Lens is a mobile app that integrates text, image, and voice-based search modules to recommend meals based on user inputs. This app is personalized for people with dietary restrictions, health-conscious consumers, and customers with accessibility needs. Module 1. Search by text. Provide quick meal suggestions based on user queries or preferences. Users can choose between ingredient or meal to search. Here is a demo for Module 1. Module 2. Search by image. Recognizes ingredients from images to suggest meals. There are 15 categories of cooking ingredients that can be detected in the app. The app is trained through teachable machine from over 1,000 plus image dataset. You may snap a live picture as well to get a similar outcome. Here is a demo for Module 2. Module 3. Search by voice.
Spaghetti.
This module allows hands-free interaction for adding ingredients and finding recipes via voice commands. The technique implemented here is natural language processing, where speech-to-text process is done. UTeM Lens is also equipped with a shopping list module, specifically for you to track your ingredients to cook your meals. There you have it, UTeM Lens, your recipe and menu recommendation app. Feeling lost on what to cook? Download UTeM Lens right now.